In this particular video, I'm going to talk about how to resolve Facebook ad payment issues. So irrespective of the issue you have been having making payment on your ad account, you are going to discover the ways you can go about it in this particular video. All what you need to do is to stick to the end of this video, because I'm going to share with you very effective method you will be using after this particular training. So let's get started.
Hi, don't forget to share, like, and share this video so that others can as well learn.
Basically, there are two payment methods that we have. We have the prepaid and the postpaid method. Now, I will explain them one after the other so that you will understand what it means. So that while making payment, you will understand the kind of payment method, the kind of payment you are making. So let's start with the postpaid method. Now, as the name implies, postpaid, you pay after you have used the service. That is, after you have advertised, you pay. Now, one characteristic again that you know is that this particular kind of method, they withdraw your money automatic, and this can only work if you have a USD ATM card. That's a dollar ATM card. This is the only way you can use this particular method. If you have your card, I will show you how you can go about it. It doesn't matter if you have a USD account or you do not have. If you want to be using this method, I will show you how you can go about it in using it. Then the other method that we have, is the prepaid method. This is one I often use. There is a reason why I often use this one. I will tell you. Now, the one thing, what you should know about this kind of payment method is that you pay before you use. Like, you have to prepay. You have to pay before you start using. You have to pay before you start using before you start advertising, let me say so. So, and it is manually. You need to do it manually. You will not come and deduct your money. It's only the amount you put that they will take. It is manual. It is done manually. Then the next one is that this one works with your Naira card, with your ATM that is linked to a Naira card. You can use this particular one. It works very well. So that's what you need to know about this particular method of payment. Now that you know the two method of payment that we have, which is the prepaid and the postpaid, I will also show you how to set up each of them in the account. So let's get into the ad manager so that you will see how to set each of these up. Okay, so this is the account I'm going to use to demonstrate this. This particular Facebook account is what I will use in demonstrating this. So I believe you have your own account ready for this. So what you need to do basically is to come to this, click on this menu here. You can see the home button there. Click on the main button so you know that you're at the home. Then scroll down, scroll this side down. We have more here. Scroll down, you have more. Click on it so that the more will open. And you can see we have Ads Manager here. We have Ads Manager here. Click on the Ads Manager. We are getting into our Ads Manager so that we can set up this our payment method. It is loading. So now, if the account is a new account, you will likely see these terms and conditions. Make sure you go through it, read about it so that you understand. Then just click on accept. Just click on accept. So in this case, I'm not clicking on accept because this account is for demonstration purpose. I'm not using it to run advert for now. So just go ahead, click on accept, and then get into their account. So you can see if it's a new account, when immediately you come in, you will see this add payment method here. You can see this add payment method. You can continue from here. But because I know your account might not. Okay, let me just continue from here. If your payment method pop up like this, add payment method, what you need to do is to click on it. Just go straight from here. Click on it. Now we are not setting up adverts. Just that the payment method has pop up, so you need to set it up at once. Now, like I said earlier, we have prepaid ad account and we also have postpaid. Remember, like I said earlier, so you can see the country here. If you are in Nigeria, in any country that you are, and maybe you want to use postpaid, you want to use dollar card, you can just what you need only thing you need to do is to change this country from here. Change this country to your country, to the country. For instance, I'm in Nigeria, so I'll be looking for Nigeria. I'll be looking for Nigeria. Now, this method is when you want to set up a postpaid, a dollar account. So you just leave it here in this dollar, then click next. You just leave it here in this dollar, then click next. Now, when you click next, you can see the option that is here. Continue that way. Either you go for this, debit or credit card. This is a dollar card, or you connect your paper account. So this one now, anytime you are to make payment, you will be using a dollar card to make payment. So how now do you now get a dollar card? How do you now get a dollar card? You can get a dollar card from any of the online app, a mobile app. You can get a dollar card from there. All what you need to do, I think I should record it on my phone. Oh, in short, all what you need to do is to download maybe a social app. We have several of them. We have social app. Then we have maybe I'll make a video on how to go about that. We have social app. We have CashX. We have Cheaper Cash. Then when you just download those app, all you need to do is to sign up, create a dollar account, sign up with your details, then create a dollar account. You can be using it. You can be using it. Now, that kind of account is the postpaid method. You are using dollar to make the payment. But if you want to be using Naira card to make payment, it's very simple. This is where we add the payment method. In adding the payment method, so now I have already choose Nigeria, my country, my home base country. So what we now do is for me to change this US dollar, the currency, and now change the currency to NGN, that is Nigerian Naira. NGN. Where are you? All I need to do is to change the currency to my currency. Where are you? Okay, look at it. Nigeria Naira, NGN. This is Nigeria Naira. Now, when I change it, look at the time zone. I do not have to touch this anything with the time zone because it's Africa and it's Nigeria. So I have to change that. Then click on next. Let's see what happens here. Now you see the option has changed. The other one is this debit card and paper, but now it has changed to the debit card and pay you. Now, because I want to be using I want to be paying in this account with my Naira card. So you have to choose this pay you. It was here, but I now bring it down here, pay you, and then continue to next. Remember that first time I did not continue to next because I know I will change. I would don't want to set up that account in dollar. As it been I continue to next, automatically it will be this account will be set up for postpaid ad account. But because I did not click on this next, I stopped and go back. Then I continue. I now go and configure this. I change the currency to Nigerian Naira. So after I've choose this Naira payment with MasterCard, Visa, and then under pay you here, all what I need to do, because this is what I want. I want to be using my Naira to pay this prepaid. I click on next.
So if you are getting value, what will stop you from letting others come and get value from this channel? Do well to share this video.
Click on next. Wait for it while it loads. Boom. This is optional. If you have VAT ID, you can just insert it, but it's optional. And then I skipped it. This is where I will now put the amount I want to pay. The amount I want to pay. In this case, let's just try on 100 Naira. The amount I want to pay is 100 Naira. So I just put in 100 Naira. Let's see if it goes. Okay, add funds now. Good. Now all this thing I'm doing, the account automatic has become a Naira ad account. Automatically, this account has become a Naira ad account, which is the prepaid. So anytime I want to do something, I will have to pay. Anytime I want to advertise, I have to pay before I start using this account. This network is slow. I have to pay before I start using this account. Okay. So when it gets here, what you need to do is just continue, click on the continue. Then you can see this where you insert your card details. All these are your card. You now insert your, look at the amount as I want to pay, 100 naira. Now I will advise that anytime you want to put money in your account, put small money first. Set up your advert. Let your advert be approved first before you start putting. Maybe you want to be running adverts for the day for 5,000. You can just start with this 100 naira first, and then start set up your campaign, let it be approved, and then when it goes live, you can start maybe add 2,000 again, and then add 3,000, so that if the account get restricted, you will not lose your money. Now, why I'm saying this, because any amount you put in this your Facebook account, any amount you put, once the account is restricted, it has gone. The money you put inside this account cannot be regained again. You cannot withdraw. You only use it to run advert. And in a situation whereby the ad account is being restricted, that is the final bus stop for you. So you just put your card details here, choose and continue. From here, you already know how to make payment with your card. Now look at the kind of card that is accepted. MasterCard, Visa card, and BAS. Vapes, I don't know how you call it. So look at the kind of card that is accepted here. So any of these cards can be accepted in Naira. But most of the time, most banks, their card will not work. So you just look for the banks that work. Me, I use GTB, UBA, Access Bank, even this OPay card this time works. OPay card most times they do work. So that is it. Now, in case maybe let me do this. Maybe you are, maybe this thing did not pop up. Maybe this thing did not pop up, and then you want to set up your account. So what you need to do when you get to this Ads Manager, look at the link to the Ad Manager. The link to the Ad Manager, admanager.facebook.com, or there's another way you can say facebook.com/Ad Manager. So when you get to this Ad Manager, just look for a way for Ad Manager link. When you get to this place, and this is personal ad account. Look at the name of the account is the same as the name of the profile. So this is a personal ad account. If you have another ad account, maybe inside my business manager, you can just select it here to go there. But that is not why we are here. So when you get here, go to all tools, or maybe you don't even all tools. You just bring your cursor down to this side of the account, so that this thing will expand. Now, when it expand, look for this billings and payment. This is it, billings and payment. Click on it. That is, if it doesn't pop up from that side, is what I'm saying. Click on it. Now, when it is loading, you now see your payment. Now, because I've already set up, that is why the Naira is automatic here. You go to this payment setting here. Go to this payment setting here. I've not added any money. You can see there is no money inside it. So see, add payment method. That thing that pop up there, you can just come down here. Wait, what did I do? Billing and payment. Then I now select payment method. Now, if I want to add fund, I will just go here to add fund. Now, if I want to change payment method, I want to add payment method. Suppose I did not add my payment method first, I will just come here and say add payment method. So that table that pop up that time will pop up here, because then I did not okay, let's just say payment method there. You can just choose this. Look at it, this Naira. You can just choose this. Click on next. I already done everything in this account, so there's nothing here. Just add payment method, just next, then you go. So what you need to understand is that if that pop-up did not come up, you can just set up your advert. Before you publish it, it will come up for you to choose payment method, or you just come down to this billings and payment, and then come over to add payment method to go about it. So it's very simple. Remember, almost like three methods I have showed you. You can continue from the pop-up here if it's new account. You can come to this billings and payment method, or you set up your campaign. When you set up your campaign, before you publish it, they will ask you to pay. So during that period, you can just uh, set up your payment method. And this is what I mean. Because this new account, I don't have any campaign here. This new account, I don't have any campaign here. So I can just click a campaign. I can just set up a campaign. This is for learning purpose. Just set up a campaign, then manual, set up a campaign. It's manual. Now, all what I need to do is for me to come to this publish. After I have set up everything, I will now come to this publish. Now, when I publish it, if I click on publish, it will ask me to fund the account. It will ask me to fund the account. So during the process of funding the account, I can now set up that payment method. Okay. So that is it. I don't know if you have any question. If you have a question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I will attend to it. Now remember the app I said you should go social app, type it on Google. It is there on Google Play Store. Look for it on Play Store, maybe your App Store. You will see it. Google social app or CashX, and then cheaper cash. Or you can just go ahead and go to your bank, get your USD card if you have a foreign account.
So if you are getting value, what will stop you from letting others come and get value from this channel? Do well to share this video, comment, and then you can get to a large number of persons. There are some persons that are finding it difficult to have this to do this. So why not share this video to them? Why not comment? Why not use the share button on social media? Anywhere, just share it so that you can get to a lot of persons. Let them come and learn. Thank you.